Are you trying to get your balance certificate from Simplii Financial in 2025? You're in the right place. In this short and clear guide, I'll walk you through each step to get your balance certificate easily and quickly. First, log into your Simplii Financial online banking account. Head to their official website and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before moving forward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Documents or Statements section. This is usually found on your account dashboard. Now, look for the option to request a balance certificate. Click on it and follow the prompts provided. You may need to select the account type for which you need the certificate, so have that info handy. Next, provide the necessary details such as your account number and personal identification. Double check all information to avoid any processing delays. After that, review your request carefully. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and submit it. You can check the status of your request from your account in a few days. If Simplii needs anything else, they'll reach out to you directly. And that's it. You have now successfully submitted a request for your balance certificate from Simplii Financial. This document can be super useful for things like loan application, financial verification, or tax purpose. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact Simplii Financial customer service for help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy banking!